pretty sure what I'm going to do is leave these, and it's going to look a little funny at first for the first few years, but as they grow it'll look nicer. When I'm working on this tree already, and that is I have all these small branches that are coming off the trunk, and in my mind it seems better to use a branch to come straight out and make its own pad rather than take this long shoot and bend it in front to make the pads. The reason it's so difficult in my mind to think about this is because right off the bat, initially, this is much fuller, it seems much thicker, it gives a better canopy structure at the top, but over time, if I can get this out of the way and I can really let the light penetrate onto these branches, I feel like over time, these will fill out into really nice pads. The branches will thicken up, it'll give the tree like an overall better look, and it'll also allow me to keep this kind of compact and use these branches to thicken up the trunk down below. If I'm constantly letting all of the growth come out of the top, then I feel like it might cause the top trunk to get really thick and everything down here to stay kind of skinny and gangly looking. So I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do is leave these, and it's going to look a little funny at first for the first few years, but as they grow it'll look nicer. But I really kind of got to look at it a little bit more and decide, is that something I really want to do? Because it's really initially going to affect the look of the tree. So, and I know bonsai is all about waiting, being patient, but I just want to make sure that I'm not cutting off a large section of a branch that is going to take years to grow back. So I'm going to have to look at it a little more, and then I'll make up my final decision on what I'm going to do, and then I'll start wiring everything out.